Hello everyone, I'm Johnson. Today, let's learn how to create the dialogues. Dialogues are a type of user interface element that typically appear as pop-up windows and are used to communicate information, receive input from the user, or prompt the user to make a decision. They can contain various elements such as text, input fields, buttons, and other interactive components. Let's create the prototype. Drag a label and enter Dialog Overview. Drag a float button from the components pane that we made in a previous lesson. Enter Pick Me and adjust its style. Then drag a rectangle to create the dialog background. Drag in a title and a label and modify their text. Then drag in an input and a button. Duplicate the button and adjust their styles. Then select the button on the right. Change the background fill color to white. Create these elements as a dynamic panel. Name it. Then select the Pick Me button. Add a click interaction. Show the dynamic panel. Choose Treat as Lightbox and check Bring Target to Front. Then add a click interaction to the button. Hide the dynamic panel. Pin the dynamic panel to the center middle of the browser. Then duplicate all the elements. Change the label to Injecting Data when opening a dialog. Change the button text to Open Dialog. Modify the name of the dynamic panel. Then modify the content of the dynamic panel. We need a title, a paragraph of text, and 3 labels. Add bullet points to the 3 items. The dialog is now complete. Continue to duplicate the button and dialog. Change the label to Dialog with header, scrollable content, and actions. Then enter the dynamic panel. First, adjust the style of the title and create it as a header bar. Then enter Install Angular. Then move the button to the bottom. Delete unwanted elements. Drag in a dynamic panel to create the content area. Duplicate a rectangle to the bottom to create the footer bar. Enter the dynamic panel, modify the text. Then set the dynamic panel to scroll vertically. Then modify the text of the bottom button. Preview the prototype. When you click the first button, the dialog is displayed. Click the second button to display a text dialog. Click the third button to display a scrollable dialog. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.